You guys can see that it's smoking. Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be doing some Saturday maintenance. We're going to start off by washing the Tahoe. So if you care to join, stick around. I'll try to make it as epic as possible. You ready, Lily? This one it is. Hold outside. Alright guys, just got done washing the truck. My hands are numb. So let's go ahead and get home so I can finish getting this truck cleaned up. I'm not done yet. I usually dry it right after I get done washing it. That way it doesn't get dirty on the way home. But, oh well, today we're just going to dry it once we get home. Hopefully let it air dry without any water spots. It's cold enough today that there shouldn't be a lot of water spots. So, yeah, I'll be back with you guys as soon as we get to the house. Some gangsters, guys. Alright guys, so we're just gonna pull into the driveway. So I'll be back in just a second. Alright guys, I'm back home, but I gotta make it quick. I'm gonna show you how I do this real fast, and then we'll go from there. I like to use this quick detailer from Meguiar's, and then I like this Super Shine from Bosch Auto Care. I'll leave a link in the description below on where to get this, and I'll give you a discount code if you want to use it and get yourself some of this superior shine. Go ahead and stay tuned. Shine the truck up real fast, and then I gotta go get my fiance from work because, as you can see, I've got both cars today. So let's make it happen. Alright guys, so that's what it looks like after the quick shine. I don't know if you can tell, looking like a bass boat. Then right here you can see all the scratches in it. You never want to go in circles. It's not no Karate Kid. You want to go side to side. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. Then I gotta go get my fiance. I'll have to detail the rims and everything later. Alright guys, see how good that quick shine stuff works? Completely made those scratches disappear except for If you get real close. The whole reason I made this video is I get people asking me all the time what I use to take care of my paint. I mean, it's a rusty vehicle. It's got all kinds of rust on it. Right there, the rocker panels. It's all rusty, but I make it look good. It's my daily driver. I like to beat it up, like to have fun with it, and then I like to keep it clean. It's like get dirty, have fun, clean, repeat. That's all it is. So his wheels are next. I gotta clean those up, but for now, gotta go ahead and put a pause on this and go get my fiance. Truck is looking beautiful, dirty rims and all, so don't leave just yet. Alright guys, day 2 for me, same day for you. So today we're going to be using some mean green on the wheels. I've never used it before, but the Tahoe is green, so I figure I can use it. Looked it up, said it should be fine, so I'm going to go ahead and try it because I'm out of wheel cleaner, unfortunately, but hey, it's all good. Let's make it happen. It's pretty dirty though. Give you guys a look at them before we clean them so you can see before and after. See if you want to use mean green on your wheels. It's supposed to be really good for brake dust. These wheels collect a lot of brake dust. Summertime, I'm gonna take the whole wheel off and get behind there and clean that. It looks even better when both sides are glossy. It's really hard to clean behind these wheels. You see on the Infinity, it's a lot easier. I can stick my hand all the way through there. These wheels are really dirty too. See? All the way back there. I might clean these wheels up too if it works well on the Tahoe. Got some water here mixed with some old wheel cleaner, but I got that just so I can rinse the mean green off if I need to. Only gonna do one wheel at a time. Let it soak for a minute. I'll spray some more and then I'll wipe it down. So, some advice for cleaning tires or cleaning your wheels: just keep them clean every day. If not, you gotta spend hours cleaning them whenever you do get ready to clean them. I don't know if you guys can see that, it's smoking. It's just smoking because it's hot. But the tire's been sitting here baking in the sun all day. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and spray some more mean green and then agitate it. I do the dish first. I always clean the dish and I work my way in and then out. After I get it clean, I'm gonna throw some quick shine on it. The front wheel is always the hardest to clean. The back wheel doesn't have as much brake dust, so I'm pretty clean though. Just the mean green. So if you use mean green on your wheels and it messes up your wheels, don't blame me. These are my winter wheels. I haven't got new wheels for the truck yet. These became my winter wheels when got scuffed up in the back, and I know I can fix them, but I really enjoy this wheel. But kind of want a new setup, new style. Still a dish. Alright guys, gonna use some McGuire's. Spray on it now. Mean green is just to get the brake dust off relatively easy. Plus, there's not very much of this in here, so gotta use conservatively. I absolutely love the smell of McGuire's. Quick detailer, as far as smelling goes, chemical guys got McGuire's beat. Now, I know this isn't necessarily the best way to clean your wheels at all, but these are my winter wheels. At least that's what I tell myself. The degreaser is working excellent. Try not to let the dirt get dry. You don't want to be wiping dry dirt around. Scratch your wheels. These wheels are already scratched, but they still look good, so I still take care of them. You should always take care of your stuff. Even if it's not the best stuff, like this truck, got a lot of rust, but I still take care of it because I'm proud of it. I'm happy. I worked my ass off, paid this truck off. My girl and I worked our ass off to pay both of our vehicles off, so we take care of them. And you guys should take care of your stuff too. No matter what, your house. Can't stand seeing people have all this nice stuff that they don't even take care of it. They just take it for granted, and you should never take anything for granted in life, especially family. Sweet, looking pretty good. Go to the other side and clean the other wheel really fast. Actually, I might jump to the back wheel, clean it. I'm not gonna make you guys watch the whole thing of me cleaning all 4 wheels. That would be pretty boring. I might show little clips from it and throw some music in there for you guys. So hope you enjoy it. I enjoy it. I enjoy making videos, and I hope you guys enjoy my videos. See, busy road. It's a one-way. All right, jump over here to the back side. It's pretty dirty too. It's funny. Move my vehicles up front so I wouldn't get copyrighted by people playing music, and they turn their music off in the backyard. My daughter in the window. Crazy girl. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this done. Still got a bunch of stuff I need to do. I'm not gonna let it soak, I'm just gonna wipe it down immediately. Oh, man. Guys, got the degreaser all over this wheel. It actually looks pretty good without the Meguiar's, but I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it down anyways with some Meguiar's. Just quick. Yeah. Get all these wheels done. Get the interior cleaned up. Detail the engine bay on the Infinity. It hasn't been cleaned in a long time. And neglect. I neglect the Infinity a lot because I don't drive it every day. My fiance working 2 jobs. Makes it kind of hard. We're never home together. But this week she's on vacation, so I'll have the car all week. Alright, that wheel is done now. Kind of getting chilly over here in the shade. I'm gonna go ahead and put a hoodie on, and then I'll be right back. Just like that. Got a hoodie on. All right, guys, last wheel, and then I'm gonna go ahead and throw some quick shine on it, some superior shine. Look how bad this wheel is. This wheel is definitely pretty bad. So, but it's okay. It is okay. Alright guys, now it's time to put some quick shine all 4 wheels. Alright guys, look at that. Look at that finish. Nice and shiny. Gotta go through and do all 4 wheels. I'm not gonna make you guys watch it. Just wanted to show you how good that stuff works. Alright guys, just like that. Got both vehicles in the backyard. Looking good. Got that Infinity looking dirty. So dirty, it's good. The Tahoe's all cleaned up. Got the wheels done. Nice and shiny. Got the claw decal. Looking sweet. If you guys like that, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I got another claw decal I thought about putting on this side, but I don't think so. Those wheels looking nice and good. Paint looking like a bass boat, a rusty bass boat. So with all that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. I'm not gonna clean the inside of the truck today. I'm gonna go ahead and start editing this video here in the next 30 minutes or so. Yeah, that's it guys. So hope everyone has a great night. Stay tuned for more. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. And thank you for watching my videos. It means a lot to me. and I really never thought I would have 28 subscribers now. But now that I do, like, yeah, I really didn't think I would get that many subscribers as fast as I did. Some of them are family and some of them are friends. So sweet, thank you guys. If you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, I definitely recommend it. And don't get discouraged. Just keep making videos, keep putting content out. I know sometimes it's harder than other times to not get discouraged, to be confident on camera. I'm not confident on camera, so I'm a lot different in person than I am on the camera, even if it seems like I may be confident. So I do my best, but I'm learning. Hope everyone's having a happy new year so far. Hope everyone's squashing their goals and kicking ass and taking names. Look at that bow tie. That guy Mike in a bow tie. Like I said, don't miss any future uploads. I got a lot coming. It's just the start of the channel, and I'm growing and doing as much as I can to learn new things, new ideas. My full-time job is not going to get in the way of my hobby as a creator on YouTube. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below, or anything. You guys want to do a Q&A, questions and answers, I will definitely be all about that. So go ahead and ask all the questions you want, and then I'll make a Q&A video. If I don't end the video now, I'm just going to keep rambling. So hope everyone has a great day, great night, great morning, whatever time you're watching it. Yeah, peace out, take care, and I'm out.